Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to learn how we can just add links to our Reddit app. So for just adding a links to our Reddit app, what we have to do is we have to click on a profile icon over here, and in this we have to just go to my profile over here, and you can see over here that there's an option for adding a social link. You have to just click on that, and from over here you can just add any link which you want to just add it over here. Like I just want to add Instagram link. For adding that link you have to just write your username over here, and after that you have to just click on done, and that particular link will be just added to your profile. So whoever will just visit your profile, it can just access to your Instagram from that particular link. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.